In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your phone from sharing your number with scammers. So this is actually quite simple, just follow through and I'm going to show you all the ways to prevent this. Now the first thing you want to do is open up settings on your phone. So for me they're over here. And then what you want to look for is Google. So wherever it says Google, just tap on it. For me, as you can see, it's down here. Tap on Google. And then inside Google Services, click All Services, which is this button over here. So click All Services, and then you want to scroll down a bit until you see this option, which is called under Autofill and Passwords. It says Phone Number Sharing. As you can see, I'm tapping it right now. You want to click on this Phone Number Sharing and turn this off. Now, as you can see, this will kind of disable and disallow Google, and they won't be able to kind of share your phone number where a third-party app may request it. So that's the first thing you can do. Now, the second one is to go back to your settings. There we go. And in here, you want to go to search and type in Permission Manager. So Permission Manager. There we go. And in the security, as you can see, the first option over here, you'll see permissions. You want to click on this, and you want to locate this permission manager over here. What you want to do is first go inside contacts, which is down here. As you can see, you want to click on it. And then if you can see any app on the list under the allowed where it would make sense that contacts should of course not be used. So for example, if you have contacts allowed, for example, in Google Photo or something else, likely those apps do not actually need access to your contacts, and your kind of data could be leaking in there. So for me over here, let's say I don't want Google Meet to have access to my contacts. So I'm going to click on Meet and then click Don't Allow. Now, as you can see, it says if you deny this permission, basic features of your device may no longer function as intended. If you get this message, it means that likely the app you're trying to kind of not allow to use contact permissions actually does need those permissions to work properly. So if you get this message, you can click Cancel, because that wouldn't be such a good idea. However, if you have a different app here that doesn't really need your contact permissions, you can just cancel those and you'll be good to go. The next thing you can do is go back, and then inside Permission Manager, go to Call Logs. Now inside Call Logs over here, you can do the same thing as we talked about earlier inside Contacts. Just look in case any app on the list doesn't really need your call logs, because those could also leak your phone number and make scammers randomly call you and message you. So what you want to do here is yet again click on the app that you think does not need call log permissions and click Don't Allow. Yet again, for this app over here, it needs it, so I'm going to have to cancel. So those are the first 3 steps. What you want to do next is go to Google Chrome. So open up Google Chrome on your phone. And then anywhere inside Chrome, you want to click on those 3 dots up top. So top right, 3 dots, and then click Settings down below, the penultimate option. Then what you want to do is go to Addresses and More, which is over here. And then where it says Save and Fill Addresses, as you can see, it says includes information like phone numbers, email addresses, and shipping addresses. Of course, if it says phone numbers, we're gonna close this, so it will disallow Google from saving and filling addresses, and like that, you will kind of get a better chance of your phone number not being leaked online. So that's pretty much it. Those are all the ways and all the steps you can take to stop your phone number being shared with scammers. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.